Don't wait to inflate. Checking your tire pressure monthly and adding air as soon as possible if needed helps you stay safe, save money, and extend the life of your tires. It can even help save the lives of coho salmon. It's simple and fast to check tire pressure with your own tire air pressure gauge or at an air station. First, you need to know what pressure is right for your tires. Look for a sticker inside the driver's door or check your car's manual to locate the ideal number. The number listed on a tire is not the ideal pressure. That's the maximum. Next, you need a tire air pressure gauge. You can buy one at an auto parts store or online, or borrow one from a friend or family member. You can also check your tire pressure and fill your tires with an air machine at gas stations and tire retailers, or buy a portable one to use at home. It's up to you. It's best to check when your tires are cold, like in the morning or before you've driven a long distance to get a more accurate reading. Think about what works for your schedule and set a monthly reminder to check your tires. A tip about your car's tire pressure monitoring system. Most warning systems kick in only when there's a critical problem, often not until a tire is dangerously low. Don't wait for the alert. Check tires monthly. To check the air pressure with your gauge, unscrew the valve cap on the tire. Press the gauge onto the valve stem firmly and you'll hear a hiss of air. After a second, the gauge will show your tire pressure. Compare the tire pressure reading from the gauge to the recommended pressure. Be sure to check all 4 tires. Often you can't tell a tire is low just by looking at it. If you need to fill your tires with air, head to a gas station or tire retailer. Most have air machines. Park close enough to reach all the tires with the pump and read the instructions on the machine. Remove the valve cap and keep it in a safe place. Next, attach the air hose to the tire valve. You'll hear air flowing when you press the trigger. Add a little air at a time and keep checking until you reach the recommended pressure. If it's lower, add air. If it's higher, you might need to release some air. When you've reached the recommended pressure in each tire, detach the hose and don't forget to screw the valve caps back on. Checking tire pressure monthly and adding air as soon as possible if needed helps you stay safe, improves your vehicle's gas mileage, and extends the life of your tires. Plus, keeping your tires properly inflated helps protect salmon by reducing the amount of toxic tire dust washing into waterways. So, what are you waiting for? Visit don'twaitttoinflate.org to learn more.